news, so I thought I'd give you a quick synopsis of the massive blizzard that we just experienced. It's been snowing for just about 24 hours. The town is like a ghost town, and there's the house. There is a lot of darkness. There is the street. There's a lot of vehicles and massive piles of snow everywhere. This storm has dumped probably over 2.5 feet of snow, which is just breaking here. That is all. Looks like everyone's in bed. I'm the only fool out here videotaping. Cabin fever, I had to get out. What can I tell you? In any event, this is it. It's a wrap. Can't see a lot because it's dark, but you get the idea. Lots and lots of stuff. Until tomorrow, I will give you another update on the snow. This is Blizzard Jonas, and he did a job. He did a good job of blanketing the area. Good night, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow.